Fish are jumping all around me. Seriously? Flies here are terrible. I am going to use endless mountain trout colored baits, plastic baits from Yellow Rose Custom Lures. Go check them out. Make any color you want. That's what I'm going to try next. I usually get one on them. Kyle's way down there, talking smack. I don't know if you can see him. Way down there in the kayak. I think he's gonna get the biggest fish. We'll see about that. Fish just jumped behind me. Oh, I had a bite. I love the thunder so much. I'm getting like all excited over here, like, yeah, I'll sit in the middle of the lake in the thunder. Whatever, big fish. Jumping all around me. Guess I should have brought the fly. I don't really care for lightning. Lightning's pretty cool, but I could listen to thunder all day long. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ah! I had